Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Dashi Soy sauce. First, gather your essential ingredients for this flavorful condiment. You will need 10 grams of kombu, 20 grams of katsuobushi, and 4 cups of water to create the dashi base. Additionally, prepare 1 cup of your favorite high-quality soy sauce. These simple components will combine to form a deeply savory and aromatic seasoning, perfect for many Japanese dishes. Let's begin by preparing the dashi. Now, let's create the heart of our dashi soy sauce, the dashi base. Begin by gently wiping your 10 grams of kombu with a damp cloth. Do not wash away the white powdery substance, as it is full of umami. Place the kombu into 4 cups of water and let it soak for at least 30 minutes. Then, slowly heat this mixture over medium-low heat. Just as tiny bubbles appear and before it boils, remove the kombu to prevent bitterness. Next, we will infuse the dashi with the smoky essence of katsuobushi. Once you have removed the kombu, bring the dashi liquid to a gentle boil. Immediately turn off the heat and add your 20 grams of katsuobushi flakes to the hot liquid. Allow the katsuobushi to steep for precisely 5 minutes. This ensures maximum flavor extraction without bitterness. Finally, strain the dashi through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the used katsuobushi to yield a clear, flavorful broth. For the final step, we combine our rich dashi with soy sauce to create the ultimate condiment. Once your dashi has been strained and is still warm, mix it with 1 cup of your chosen soy sauce. Stir the mixture well to ensure a uniform flavor throughout. Allow the dashi soy sauce to cool completely to room temperature. Then, transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator, where it will remain fresh for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.